Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun coastal Halloween Dollar Tree DIY for you today. I'm going to take one of the little ocean canvases from the Dollar Tree, and they fit almost perfectly into these plain wood signs also from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to make it like a little ghost on the beach. Like you see that a lot of people thrift the ocean paintings and add ghosts to them. So kind of doing a little bit of a smaller version of that, but everything was from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just cutting out some of the little ghost rub-ons. They have two different sizes, but that's okay because it can make it look like one's a little farther away on the beach. And then I thought it would also be fun maybe to add like a bat flying through like the sky above the ocean. I'm going to put a couple pieces of wood underneath of it just so I have something to kind of press on when I go to rub these on. And they're so easy to use. You just take the back off, put them on there and scrape them. You can scrape them with a popsicle stick or a scraper or even just your fingernail. Just make sure they're all the way down before you remove all of the plastic on the top. So you always want to check a little bit. I just scraped those on. I think that looks really fun for Halloween. And then we're going to frame it with one of these Dollar Tree signs. Now, it's a little bit bigger than what I need, but I'm actually going to give it a coastal makeover as well. So the first thing I do is just make a new hanger for it there with some twine. And then we can go ahead and attach this. I'm going to put some hot glue like right here around the frame where I can glue it directly to this. As you can see, there's a little bit of space. This canvas was a little bit too small for it. And I don't like the fact that the frame has like the unfinished frame. So I'm going to use some of this driftwood filler. I picked this up at Target. It was a vase filler. And I am just using it to DIY a new frame. Now, if you had some driftwood, you could always use that. This is one of my favorite ones to craft with because it's really flat and it's kind of like putting together a puzzle, just trying to figure out what's going to fit where. And I like to slightly overlap mine a little bit, and I'm just attaching everything with hot glue. I did have to cut a few pieces there just to make it fit exactly where I want it, but I'm trying to completely cover up that Dollar Tree frame and give it like a coastal driftwood frame, which I think is really fun. So I just do that all the way around. I think it's the perfect complement for the little ghost on the beach. And if you did have like a larger version of like a beach scene like this, you could still add some of these cute little ghosts to it. It would be so cute. And it's just kind of a subtle Halloween decoration. And you guys know I always love coastal decor for every holiday. So I've got it all on there. I really like it. The only thing I don't like about that driftwood is it's a little bit light. So I just took some antique wax by Waverly and mixed it with some water to give me a very light stain to kind of give it more of that driftwood tone. And I just go around and paint that on. It kind of soaks into the wood, giving it more of a real like driftwood finish. And I love how this turned out. It was so fun. If you'd like more Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.